Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 155. This was the 1st of February 2023. Already in February, January is in the books for this year. Before you know it, it will be the holidays again. We just got done with the holidays, it seems like, and we are already into February. So, started the day off with exercise, 45 minutes on the treadmill, and that included the 6-minute jog. Did a little bit of Remote Wellness Academy work, did books, had a power training, had a power call, customer call, and then I paid some bills. So that was basically it. Gratitude of the day is for the Remote Wellness Academy practice students, the people who are in the course with me. We're helping each other. We're practicing. I'm very grateful for them and their help, and um, we're all helping each other, and I really am grateful for that association. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I will talk to you again soon.